Hey my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making potato salad, and here is all the ingredients you are going to need for this simple dish. The first thing you see me lift up was some black pepper. We got dill weed right there. I also have the smoked paprika. We have some sweet relish, because that sweet, I promise you, makes a whole difference on your potato salad. We got some yellow mustard. We have some real mayonnaise, some sea salt, any kind of sea salt I do. This is one of my favorite ones that I have, so I use it in everything. We have eggs. I have chopped ones and whole ones. Those whole ones you'll see later on. I'm going to slice those to put on top. And we have our potatoes that have already been boiled and are fork tender. So the first thing we're adding here is our mayonnaise, and it's up to you how much mayonnaise you want to use. As you'll see, my potato salad was a little on the thicker side, and that's how I like mine. I know some people like theirs more juicier, so basically what you would do is the mayo and the mustard that you see me add and the relish, you would just, add more of that to make it wet. So now all the ingredients are in there along with the eggs, and we're just going to give that a good stir. And you're just trying to incorporate everything, and also at the same time, if you want your potato texture to be a little bit more mashed, you would go ahead and go in with the spoon and mash them as you stir them. But potato salad is supposed to be a little chunky, so don't get crazy with mashing it, because we don't want mashed potatoes. And here I'm just adding more of the mayo because I want it a little bit more juicier. It's not quite to the texture I would like it. And I'm going in with some more mayonnaise, more sweet relish. And y'all, the potato salad is just trial and trial. You keep adding more ingredients until you're happy with the outcome. Here's some black pepper going in. If you like a heavy peppery taste, you want to add some more black pepper. If you don't like the pepper as much, then you'll go a little lighter on that. And we have the salt, and there's nothing else in this dish that's salty, so if you want to taste the salt, go in with the salt. Don't be shy. But of course, you don't want it so salty that you can't even eat it. And now we're adding some dill weed. My daddy always puts dill weed in his potato salad, and I promise it will change your life. So make sure you add that to yours. And I'm just, giving it a good mix here until it gets to where I want it to be, which it is there now. And I'm just adding the eggs on top, because we gotta make it presentable. Because you eat with your eyes before you even taste it. So if it looks good, that means you want to taste it, right? So now I'm just adding some eggs on the top. And you'll see me in a minute grab that paprika. Then just giving it a little color with the paprika. Nothing crazy. And just making sure the whole top of it is covered. And y'all, we did that thing. Easy. The easiest potato salad you could ever make, y'all. Super simple. Taste in between when you are putting in your ingredients until you get it to be as beautiful as you want it to be. And there's our finished product, looking beautiful. Thank you always for coming back to my page. If you have not already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Click that notification bell so you'll always be up to date on every time a video is posted. And if you learned anything new from this video, go ahead and like it, y'all. Until next time, I appreciate you and love you like always. Bye.